OK。
这个不动。
拿下这个不停了啊。到上面了。Right now is a manual version. You also can adjust the speed by the frequency inverter. This is fast speed, slow speed, stop. Okay. We can change the auto version. For the auto version, the sensor will be work. You see here? Auto version. Okay. For auto version, you know, we will give the machine. We can connect to the machine with 0 terminal and 13 terminal. Connect with the machine. For example, we give it a signal to touch the terminal 13. Okay. Now the machine starts running. For the timer, we set up the 30 seconds. When the conveyor running 30 seconds, if without panels, it will stop automatically. After 30 minutes, it will stop automatically to save power. Okay, right now it stops automatically. When there is a panel, the conveyor will be continue to work. Let us show it. Okay, we touch the terminal 13 once again. Okay, now the machine start running.